every section of the store should tell a coherent story. So we usually have a sea salt caramel story, right? Where one row of shelves or one side of a gondola is telling the story of sea salt caramel, right? And all of the items on that shelf are blue in some way. It's the sea salt caramel chews. It's those boxes of sea salt caramels that have, you know, special origin salts on them, things like that. Now, sometimes we go to a section of the store and it's telling the story of all the things that we didn't know where to put it, right? And we want to avoid that. But every once in a while, we're telling kind of a confused story just because we have to throw things somewhere for a little bit. But the ideal is that every single section of the store is going to tell a strong story. It's going to be like, this is the packaged section of the store. You know, this is where we have all of our bestsellers. This is where we have all of our window boxes. And these stories should be clearly demarcated by negative space. So one of the reasons we offset our shelves is so that we can pack that shelf with stuff and then there's a natural break. Because otherwise, if they were all in the same level, you would have, in order to pack them, you'd have to have just like one long row of product, and the customer's eyes is going to look at that and they're not going to automatically separate that long row of shelves into sections, right? So however we figure that problem out, there needs to be a clear separation between different stories. It's called negative space. And art needs negative space, architecture needs negative space, marketing needs negative space. It allows the mind to separate things into categories and to really feature and appreciate each category for what it is.